Let's have a look at this one then. There's a quotient, so we use the quotient rule to get the derivative. V, more than one term, so we've got a bracket, times du, 2x, minus u, x squared, times dv, and that's just 1 and 0, so that's just 1, all over v squared, so that whole thing is squared. So we get 2x squared minus 2x minus x squared over x minus 1, all squared. So that's x squared minus 2x, isn't it? Over x minus 1 squared. Take an x out as common, and we'll have an x minus 2, won't we, on top, over x minus 1 squared, which equals 0 when does that equal 0? When x equals 0 then, here, and when x is 2. When x equals 0, y is equal to, put 0 in here, over minus 1 is 0, x equals 2, we get 4 over 1, which is 4, and 2, 4. Okay, those are the turning points. Let's see whether they're max or mins. So we need the second derivative of this. Okay, let's have a go at it. So do 2y by dx squared is v times du, so this is u, so it'd be 2x minus 2, that's du, isn't it? V du minus u times dv, this is something squared, so it's 2 times the something, multiplied by what the something differentiates to is 1, all over v squared, so that's that thing, object squared. So let's put in the values then. So if we put in noughts, what are we going to get? Just put in 0, we don't need to work it out, just put in 0 and 2. So let's put in x equals 0 and x equals 2. So this will be minus 1 squared is 1. This will be minus 2 minus, put x equals 0 in, that is 0, so there's nothing there. 0 lots of something, still 0, over minus 1 squared is 1, and square it again is still 1. So that's equal to minus 2, isn't it? Which is less than 0. So it's a max. And if we put in the other point, 2, put in 2, we'll get 1 squared, which is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2, minus, put in 2 here, we got an x minus 2 here, so that will all be 0. Because that will be 4 minus 4. So that's 0. Over 2 over the 1 again, because that's 2 minus 1 is 1. So we get 2, which is greater than 0, so I'm in. So the point when x was 0 was a, what was it? A max. And the other one was a min. That's what we just worked out, question 7.